And we welcome you live here at the training center at the UST. It's the last game of the day between the UST Tiger Cubs versus San Sebastian Staglets on the under 19 division. Wala. Charge. Let's go toward jump ball. Two points for the Staglets to start the game. Melano to Jimenez. Jimenez shortstop, and there's a foul. Foul on number 1. Just a baseline throw in for the USC Tiger Cubs. And 2 points for number 30, Esteban. Santos bringing down the ball, and Tepan loses the ball, and the possession goes to the USC Tiger Cubs. Traveling violation.
Mali naman to eh. Mali yan.
Ay, crane pala. Santos for 3 and gets it in for the Staglets. Santos for 3.
Shot clock. 14 seconds. 40 seconds to shoot.
Cabanero, rather than this Cañete. Cañete is fouled. The ball remains with the Tiger Cubs. Esteban on the inbound. Wafu Joel passes to Jimenez. And too much muscle there by Melano. Santos drop pass to Inot. Tipan to Santos. Short on that 3. And there's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 13. That's first person to foul. First team foul on USD. Time remaining 16 minutes and 40 seconds. 40 seconds to shoot.
Santos on the ball. Inot passes to number 44, Ursula. Cañete bringing in the ball. Pressured by Santos.
2 points lang.
Jimenez. Oh, shortstop. It's good for 2. Tepan passes to Scott, to Inot, to Tepan on the 3. No. Melano speeding to the front court. Passes to Esteban. Esteban, gosh, is that 2 points? That's a long 2 for Esteban. Esteban to Inot. Inot passes to Esteban. Kicks out to Santos for 3. Miss there. Cañete. Inot to Santos to Tepan. Tepan corner jumper block and rebound by Wafu Joel. Cañete speed pass to Jimenez and Melano misses that one. Rebound by Wafu Joel. Jimenez kicks out to Esteban. Esteban! Back-to-back 3 points there by Esteban. Santos kicks out to Tepan on the corner. No, rattles out. Cañete on the fast break run. Cañete. Step back to the side, and it's good for Kurt Cañete. Score is 14-7 in favor of UST Tiger Cubs. Tepan blocked by Esteban. Scott with that 2 points. Jimenez kicks out to Melano. And a pass ball there. Foul. Substitution.
First personal foul, 13 foul on San Sebastian. Shut out. 14 seconds.
Wafu Joel commits a traveling violation. Jimenez, strong drive, but to no avail. Julio Teruel brings down the ball. Passes to Scott, swings to Gaviola. Scott for 3, and that's good for Scott. Gets that 3 points. Jimenez, the short stop is good. Julio Teruel with the ball. And there's a foul. Foul on number 10, Melano. And there's a timeout called by San Sebastian Staglets. Score is 16-12. All first half.
11 minutes, 48 seconds. Official score, 16-12 in favor of UST Tiger Cubs. Game time.
And we're back to the ball game. Score was 16-12, 4-point lead by the UST Tiger Cubs with 11 minutes and 48 seconds left in the first half. Gabiola to Belmonte, nice pass. Pafu Joel. Oh. Challenged that by two Staglets. And there's a foul.
On foul, jersey number 24. That is first personal foul.
Two free throws for Esteban.
First foul yan. Pag ginanyan ko, team foul.
First free throw is missed.
Two free throws. There's 7. Substitution.
Substitution. And second free throw of Esteban is good. Same ball. There's a mini full court press by the UST. Starts on a turnover and converts to the score. Two points there by Pulong Barit and fast break run by Ludovice. Scores 2. And full court press again here by UST. Basket and one for Pulong Barit. Foul in a basket. Most free throw for Pulong Barit. And completed 3-point play by Pulong Barit. And there's a hole in the press, but blocked by Candare. A great chase down block. And score by Vidanes. Pulong Barit with the rebound.
20 seconds of the first half.
Basket and a foul for Ludovice.
Foul on jersey number 1, Scott. And his third personal foul. 16th foul on San Sebastian. Bonus free throw, Ludovice.
Bonus free throw is good for Ludovice. Ludovice for 3. And rebound by Vidanes. Vidanes for 2 points.
Substitution.
Still by Pulong Barit. Counter steal by Scott. Enod called for traveling. Score is 31-14 in favor of UST Tiger Cubs with 6 minutes and 25 seconds left in the first half.
Pulong barik.
Bandingan is fouled by Castillo. And drop pass for Bidanes for the easy two. Scott to Enod. Drop pass to Scott. Gaviola. Drop pass to Scott. And Scott with the 2 points. Ludovice kicks out to Bandingan. And Binanes with the rebound. Bohol swings to Ludovice. And rebound by Scott.
Remaining 5 minutes, 15 seconds.
And a turnover there by the Staglets.
Substitution. Santa Maria in, Bandingan out.
Ludovice spinning down the court. And drop pass to
Still.
and steal. And there's a foul.
Jersey number 34. That is first personal foul. 13 foul on UST. 2 free throws. Each one.
And Enod will be awarded to 2 free throws. First one goes in, does not go in. Second free throw also missed. And the Staglets had a version of their drop defense.
Lock.
Castillo on the ball. To Gaviola. To Castillo.
Tiger Cubs. Time remaining 3 minutes, 50 seconds.
Kicks it out to Candare. Candare short on that one. Gaviola. Bounce pass. And there's a foul.
Number.
Foul on number 13. Candare.
Substitution.
2 shots for Castillo.
Substitution. Two free throws. Castillo.
Castillo good on first. Jimenez on the rebound. Second free throw is missed. Cañete to Jimenez. To Bohol. At the post to Wafu Joel. Kicks it out to Bohol. Bohol. Jumper is good for Bohol for the jump shot. Enod thought about that. And Castillo called for travel.
Substitution. Danilo in. Castillo out. Time remaining 1 minute, 55 seconds of the first half. Pizza score 35-17 in favor of UST Tiger Cubs.
Jimenez swings to Santa Maria. Santa Maria slices in the middle. And traveling ball by against Santa Maria. And the ball goes to the Staglets. Canillo for 3. Gets that 3 to go.
Castillo.
Inot swings to Canillo. Canillo back-to-back 3 points. Same shot, same corner for Canillo. Score is 35-23 in favor of UST Tiger Cubs. 40 minutes left in the first half. It's same ball.
17 seconds.
With a shot clock of 17 seconds for the Staglets. Gabiola to Inot for 3. Overcooks that one. Cañete kicks out to Santa Maria. Overcooks. All's that. 10 seconds left in this first half. 5 seconds. Kicks out to Inot. And Inot for 3. And at the end of the first half, official score 35-26 in favor of UST Tiger Cubs.
In favor.
And back here at the training center at UST,
San Sebastian Staglets.
the second half is almost start between UST Tiger Cubs versus San Sebastian, the score of 35-26. And second half starts with the Staglets Gaviola. Gaviola.
Gaviola, 2 points.
It's a hard-earned 2 points by Gaviola. Cañete to Esteban. Esteban for 3. Stretches that 3 points. Esteban. Inot on the ball. Inot scores for 2 points. Cañete to Wafu Jowo. To Melano. Swings to the post by Jimenez. And traveling violation against Jimenez. Gutierrez to Inot. Release pass to Gaviola. To Gutierrez, bounce. And too much passing there by Staglets.
Coming foul, jersey number 43. Substitution.
And Melano will go to the line to shoot 2 free throws. And the first one goes in for Melano. Melano sinks a second one. Tepan to Inot.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Possession arrow goes through.
Handball and possession arrow goes to UST Tiger Cubs.
Time remaining 16 minutes, 30 seconds in the second half. Official score 40-30. The World USC.
Melano hounded by Inot. Down to the post and kicks out to Melano for 3. And Melano swishes that 3. And ball tap there.
Substitution. Shot clock, 20 seconds.
Ursula for 3. To no avail. Cañete. Grab pass to Jimenez. And Jimenez gets the 2 points on the corner. Esteban steals the ball. And turnover. The ball will go to the Staglets with 15 minutes and 8 seconds left in the second half. Score is 45-30. 15-point lead by the UST Tiger Cubs.
Shot clock, 10 seconds.
The 10 seconds on their shot clock. Ursula
5 seconds.
to Santos.
Single. Shot clock, 14 seconds.
Melano loses the ball.
14 seconds to
And
shoot.
ball goes back to the San Sebastian Staglets.
Wala, mali. Dito kasi nag-alarm. Ganun ka lang kanina, bossy.
For three! There's another charge to three. Farewell.
Cañete. Jimenez and the short stab. It's good for Jimenez.
Instead, counter steal, raise a foul.
And there's a foul, said the referee.
Foul on jersey number 10. Substitution.
Dalawa.
Jersey number 10. Substitution.
Turnover there by the Staglets. Ludovice. And traveling there by Julio Teruel.
Time remaining 12 minutes, 25 seconds of the second half.
Cañete bringing down the ball, hounded by Santos.
15 to shoot.
Ludovice to the post.
10 to shoot.
Jimenez. Foul downstairs.
Foul on jersey number 1. Substitution. Jersey number 1. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul on San Sebastian.
Vidanes kicks out to Cañete. Cañete with a three. Santos to Scott. Canillo on the corner. Scott swings to Santos on the other side. Santos kicks out to Canillo on the corner. And a pass break run here by Ludovice. An easy layup by Ludovice. Ludovice again. Gets that 2-point layup.
That's up. 17 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Umadi. Santos out.
Umadi to Tepan. Short on that one. Cañete overpass.
Out of bounds.
Overcooks that pass.
San Sebastian basketball. with 9 minutes and 50 seconds. Same ball. Shot down, 20 seconds. Substitution. Can get it out, but we got it.
Humadi. Kicks out to Canillo. And Tepan's putback will not go, but fouled. Goes back, troops to the line, and to shoot 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Tepan.
Super two.
And there's a foul downstairs.
Foul jersey number 4.
Foul on number 4, Canillo.
First personal foul.
And 16-second shot clock
Foul on San Sebastian.
on the Tiger Cubs. Pulong Barit. That's good for Pulong Barit. Uy. And there's a foul.
13 foul. 2 free throws. Ursula.
2 free throws for Ursula. First free throw is good for Ursula.
Wala, umalis. Tulog. Sa amin yun.
Second free throw is missed by Ursula.
Wala nga, umalis.
To the Bise. Passes to Bandingan. Kicks out to Pulong Barit.
That's a 5 seconds.
Bohol, the jump shot, it's good
2 points.
for Bohol. Score now is 58-36. And a 3-point shot by Scott.
5 remaining. 6 minutes. 35 seconds.
And there's a foul.
Foul jersey number. Substitution. What is second personal foul? 14 foul on San Sebastian Dragons. Shut down. 14 seconds.
To the visit. To Bandingan and travels.
And 5 minutes. 40 seconds.
Humadi for 3, and that's good for Humadi. Bandingan to Bohol, to Lavid, to Davise. Scott doesn't go in. Ludovisa is fouled.
Foul on jersey number 21. Victoria, substitution. Ludovisa.
Oh. And Ludovisa good on the first.
Substitution.
And the second goes as well for Ludovisa.
Foul in the basket.
And foul in the basket for
34.
number 61, Tepan.
Tatlo. 34 buhos.
Jersey number 34. Third personal foul. Stepan. Fourth free throw. Time remaining 3 minutes. 10 seconds. Foul in the basket.
Cañete. Basket count for Cañete.
Foul on jersey number 18.
A sidestepping move to the basket.
16 foul on San Sebastian. Bonus free throw. Cañete.
Bonus free throw for Cañete. And the free throw does not go in for Cañete. Then there's a lane violation.
Basketball.
Wrong pass there by Tepan. Cañete with the steal and a bucket.
Same ball. Shot clock. 17 seconds. 1 second to cross. 1 second to cross.
And we're down to our last 2 minutes.
Same pa rin po yung shot na. Same pa rin po yung shot na.
Walang ball control. Walang ball control. Walang
Nandun na nga tinapik eh.
Nandun ba?
Pinasa eh.
Biggest screen on jersey number 13.
Melano on the footback is good. Score is 66-44 with 1 minute and 30 seconds left in the second half, and there's a traveling goal against Humadi.
Time remaining 1 minute 86 seconds. Second half. Foul on jersey number 21, Victoria. Second personal foul.
It's a foul on Candare.
Substitution.
Enot and Ursula
15 seconds.
crosses the half-court line. Back to Enot.
15 to shoot.
Tepan swings to. Does not go in.
2 points on
That's number 44, Ursula, for the 2 points. What an athletic drive there by Melano. Basket count for Melano.
Ursula. That is second personal foul. For free throw, Melano.
And Ball's free throw is missed, but
10 seconds.
rebounded again by Melano. Cañete. And rebound again by Melano.
Technical foul number 10 for taunting.
And technical foul on number 10 for taunting and 3 minutes cool off.
Jersey number 21 on San Sebastian and technical foul on jersey number 10 of USC for taunting. 3 minutes full of jersey number 10.
Ted. Number 10.
Technical free throw. Victoria.
Victoria shooting the technical free throw. Victoria
2 free throws. Ludovice.
makes the technical free throw.
Substitution. Substitution.
Ayusin ko lang. Oo, may number.
Time remaining 89 seconds.
Ludovice for the 2 free throws.
Isa lang. Isa lang.
20 seconds left.
$15 seconds. 10 seconds. Congratulations for your winner, USD.